Good morning, class 4. Today we will continue with our second unit syllabus of your SST, chapter 10, Natural Resources. Go to page number 73 of your SST book. In this chapter, we will learn about the natural resources that we found on the earth or around our surrounding and what are the uses of them. Now, what are the types of natural resources? Anything that we get from the nature is a gift of nature to us, the human beings, are called natural resources. We use it to fulfill our needs. Natural resources cannot be created, it exists in the environment and hence must be carefully used. Some of the natural resources are air, water, soil, wood, mineral, and solar energy. Natural resources are further divided into renewable or non renewable resources and inexhaustible and renewable resources. Non renewable resources or exhaustible resources are those resources that are irreplaceable after use. Resources like coal, petroleum, and metals like copper and iron are found deep inside the earth. People use these resources to create many things. In all these resources, if it gets exhausted, they cannot be replaced. It is very important to conserve and use the non renewable resources wisely. Coal and petroleum are important non renewable resources. Coal is mainly used as a fuel to cook food, generate electricity, run steam engines, and run machines in factories. Petroleum is converted to petrol and diesel in refineries. They are used to run automobiles, ships, and aeroplanes. Petroleum is also known as black gold. Now go to page number 74. Here we will read about inexhaustible resources. And inexhaustible resources or renewable resources does not get reduced even after it is used. Resources such as air, sunlight, and water are used continuously and they are available whenever needed. All living organisms require air to breathe and water to drink. Soil is another inexhaustible resource that is necessary for the survival of human beings. Our basic requirements such as food, clothing, and shelter are mainly obtained from the plants that grow in the soil or from the animals that feed on these plants. Soil erosion should be avoided by not cutting trees and plants. Solar energy is used extensively for various activities. It is used to heat water, cook food in solar cookers, and light the streets through the solar lights. Solar energy is also used in villages for irrigation and to run water pumps. Wind energy is used to generate electricity. This is done by setting up huge windmills uh, on a little bit high land so that it gets the proper amount of wind to uh, move its huge fans like structure so that it creates electricity. In Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Kerala, there are few places where windmills are set up. Points for summary. Natural resources are found in environment. There are two types of resources, namely exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Air, water, and sunlight are some of the inexhaustible resources. Coal, petroleum, and oil are some of the exhaustible resources. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.